Watch this. The problem is most content creators rent software that they can build in an afternoon. So we built this in 4 hours. It finds viral IG reels from your favorite Instagram influencers and rips the script, rips the content, and shows you what's working for them so you can mimic. The goal is to go viral as quickly as possible. So we're going to type in our top influencer we want to look at. And then it's going to give us the top 10 options. So I'll pick number 1. You can open it in IG. You can download it. But what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the script. So we're looking at quick OpenAI 4.0 mini. And here's a simple prompt at the top. And then it'll paste the transcript. And the goal is to have it not divert from his flow and main context, right? So a one-to-one copy without exactly ripping what the person's saying. So you don't have to follow it exactly, but I think this is pretty close. Laying out a problem, here's a hook, and then the flow of everything. Then you would literally come down here, just click copy script, and that's pretty much it. You can then save this in your video editor. You can put it in a script reader. You can go through and create your content. And then as far as actually creating the video itself, that's up to you. The main goal of this video is to show you that AI no-code solutions are up and coming, and it doesn't take an expert to create an app that people actually would use and pay for. And realistically, this app is free. You can join my school community by either clicking the link in my bio or the description below, depending on where you're watching this video. And ultimately, this tool itself is going to give you all the research you need to get viral as quick as possible by following proven concepts. And the one thing that I want to tell you guys within this software, the main thing we're really looking at is top views, top engagement, because the first 5 seconds of any video is either going to make or break your content. I've also decided to attach this asset here, the Crushing Hook Playbook. It's going to tell you the different types of hooks, examples, and how you can create crushing content for yourself. So not only are you going to be able to use the Instagram scraping reel tool, but then once you've gotten the script and you've gotten the copy, you can refine it by learning how to put together solid hooks that will increase your views, increase your engagement, and ultimately get your audience to do whatever you want them to do. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join the community, grab your tools, and if you want to learn how to build tools like this, that's another solid reason to join the community, because we do live calls every week, and we list out free courses and tutorials to show you how to do this yourself. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe and follow for more, and drop any feedback below.